Like Chuck.
I need some. Give me some. Can you give me some? Give me some. My cat, no cake.
No, don't eat that. Are you ready to make some cookies?
Yes.
Okay, you're gonna take your butter. You're gonna open it up and put it in the bowl. Okay, we are going to get an egg.
Oh.
You're gonna crack the egg and put it in there?
Yes.
You know how to crack it?
Yes.
How you crack it? Oh, good job, good job. I'm gonna let you squeeze the honey in there. Go ahead, pour the honey in. Keep mixing, good job.
It's cake.
Mm-hmm.
And you will make some. It's cake.
Mm-hmm.
It's a cake. It's a yum cake.
No, don't eat that.
I want to eat it.
Well, make a heart. That's your own first cookie.
I don't eat some cookies. I don't eat some cookies. I don't eat some cookies.
Now you want a cookie?
No. Cookie.
Good? All right, good job.
Bye. See you later.